All right, this is a 1994 Haas VF4. The Haas control, serial number 2916. It's a Cat 40, 7,500 RPM. It has a 2-speed gearbox, 20-position tool changer. It's pre-wired for the 4th axis. Telescopic weight covers, automatic lubrication. We're gonna run the spindle now. Shifting it to low. That's 1,000 RPM in the low range. Do a gear change into high. That's 2,000 RPM. That's 3,000. That's 4,000. That's 5,000 RPM in the high range. Again, max RPM is 7,500. All right, we'll do a tool change. All right, we'll do another one. One more. All right, now we'll jog the axes. We'll do Z first. Y. And then X. All right, you want to look at the control. Machine also comes with a coolant tank. Also has the chip auger system. You can see you have your pre-wire for your 4th axis here. You can take a look inside the cabinet. Very clean, undisturbed. Lastly, just your serial number again, 2916. Date of manufacture was 4 of 1994.